Yes, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw your money from or your assets from bittoken account to any of the exchanger of your choice. This exchanger is Bybit, okay, and with Bybit it supports USDT BIP20 network address. All right, there are some other exchange that do not have USDT BIP20. Okay, they have USDT but they don't have the network BIP20 address. All right, so if you want to withdraw, you just open your Bybit account. All right, and then you click on P2P. You click on deposit, you click on deposit. Okay, so you just click on your deposit, and then it will tell you to actually select the asset that you want to deposit to. So the asset is what? USDT. Okay, so you click on your USDT, and then it will tell you to select the network. All right, we have BIP20 here, we have Ethereum, we have Tron, all right, and the rest. Okay, so with bittoken, the network address that we are using is Binance Smart Chain BIP20 address. All right, so you just click on it, and then it will tell you to slide this for confirmation. Okay, so you just go ahead and then slide, and then once you are done, this is your wallet address. Okay, you are depositing into your Bybit account. All right, so you just click on this copy sign over here, and then you click on it. It has copied successfully. Now when you are done, just navigate to your bittoken account. Okay, when you come to your bittoken account, you click on the wallet section. All right, and then it will open for you, and then you click on withdrawal. All right, and here you enter the amount. Take note that you cannot withdraw less than $10. All right, it is written here minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT, so you make sure you have more than 10. So since there is a note here that 5% fee will be charged before payment, you make sure that the amount that you are withdrawing, when they deduct the 5%, you'll be able to get $10, okay, or more. So we'll just put in here an amount 10 or $11, okay, so that once they charge the 5%, I can get 10 point something in my wallet. And then you will put in your USDT BIP20 address that you copied from Bybit. All right, you just click on it, and then you click on get code. When you click on this get code, they will send you, all right, a code that is 6-digit code to your Telegram bot. Okay, the bot that you use to receive your login. You can actually get it there. Okay, so you just type in the 6-digit code over here, and then once you are done, you click on submit request, and then you are good to go. All right, when you click on submit, expect it in some few minutes, in some few hours, depending on the congestion of the blockchain. All right, when plenty people are making a withdrawal at the same time, it needs to being processed. Okay, so if you make a withdrawal and then you've not received it, you need to wait approximately it's 24 hours. You have to get your withdrawal. All right, so that is how to withdraw your money from bittoken account to any exchanger. You just go and open your exchanger, click on deposit, use the BIP20 address, then you come and put it in your withdrawal address over there. You click on submit request, and then you are good to go. Thank you very much for watching.